guys, thanks for joining me. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. We're going to jump right in and we're going to do a full face glam today. We're going to grab this orangish, peachish, matte color and we're going to work it from the outer corners in. About medium pressure. I'm going to be building the color as we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab this white shimmer and I'm going to be applying it to my brow bone and under my eyebrows. Today, forgive me for any mistakes. It's an early one. I haven't even had coffee yet. I'll be going to the DMV, lucky me, later to renew my driver's license, and you know I can't be looking rank up in that picture. So here we are. And also I'm going to apply that same color that I applied my highlight to the inner corners of my eyes. Now we're gonna grab this shimmery peach. It is a true peachy, maybe burnt orange kind of color. There are no names on these colors. It's Coastal Scents, and some of their colors are very well pigmented and some are not. But they are buildable. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna layer it until I get the color that I want. I want it to be a little more vibrant, not nothing too crazy, but just something that pops. And it's very, the theme that we're going for today, it is very fall. Since fall is here, finally it has arrived, and so that's what we're going with. Something very soft but glam. So I've done both eyes, and now we're going to go in and I'm going to grab this dark brown and we're going to work it into our crease. I'm going to start at the outer corner and work it inward. And yes, there was some fallout and I'll be cleaning it up. So I'm going to grab this. It's like a blending brush to me. I don't really know all the technical terms of the brushes, but I'm gonna blend it out. It was very heavy. It was heavier than really I anticipated when I put it on. But there we are, voila, both eyes. So now that same little shimmer, peachy pink that I used before, I'm putting it on the tip of my finger and I'm gonna go back in from the corners of the inner corners of my eyes to about midway, just to help that color shine and pop a little more. Now we're gonna go in and I'm gonna darken under my lower lash line with the same brown. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the same colors that I did before, the orange and the shimmer, to put on top of that brown. That has to be one of my favorite brushes. And a little more. And now is when I went back in and just added some of that orange color to try to blend it on out and take some of the harshness away. Back in the inner corners, again, build that back up, that shimmer white that I put on my brow bones earlier. Just to help glow and pop a little more. So now we are going to go on to liquid liner. I used Wet n Wild. I love it. It's such a go-to. It's inexpensive and it's so dark and it covers well. It doesn't dry and get creasy, as I've said in another video that I've done, but I really do. I love it. So we're gonna wing these out, and then I'm going to put on false lashes, but I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll be back. And there they are. So I put on my mascara after I put on my falsies. I feel like it works better that way. It helps them stick together and hold in place. That's just the method that works best for me, is to do it after. I love false lashes. I really feel like they're the lifeline of any face. We're gonna darken up the lower lash line, your waterline, excuse me. And I always try, if I can stand it, and not poke myself in the friggin' eye and freak out. I always go into my upper waterline as well. Oh, yep, there you can see it, glassy eyes. I teared up. So there it is. There's my eyeshadow. Now we're gonna move on to, I'm gonna grab the contour kit by Anastasia, and I'm not doing a full contour. I'm just gonna do a little on my cheeks and forehead, chin, but it's not, I'm not cutting it in, like I'm just doing it kind of messy, kind of quickly. I swear, I can always get one side so much better than the other. I always feel like one side looks different than the other. It's like my hand, my right hand doesn't cooperate with the left side of my face. I don't know, weird. a little bit down the side of my nose, the tip of my nose, a little bit under my bottom lip. Now, e.l.f. It's a contouring and blush kit. It's like my favorite little go-to. It is the right color for me anyways. The mixture, I always mix both of them together and it's perfect. It's like the perfect contour, bronzer, blush. And Anastasia again, a highlighting pad, and I'm gonna take this little creamy highlight and yes, love it. Highlight those cheeks, you can just see it. This DMV driver's license pic is gonna be poppin'. Haha, I don't know. Let's hope. And I always highlight my top lip. Sometimes I go a little crazy with it and I have to like rub it in, but it's so easy to go crazy with it. I just want that top lip to be shining. And then I always have to, like I said, smooth that out because I get a little crazy with the highlight sometimes. Yep. Wipe some away, smooth it out. And now I'm going to line my lips. I always overdraw my lips because I have a thin top lip. Bottom one's okay, but I always overdraw the top. And now we're gonna apply my lipstick. Again, it's by Essence. And there we are. There is today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun doing it. Now I'm off to the DMV to take this banging photo. And remember to subscribe, and like my video, please, guys. And let me know what you think. Have a great day, dolls. Bye.